In this video, you'll learn how to display the battery percentage on your Pixel 6. By following these steps, you will be able to monitor your battery level more accurately and conveniently. Start by unlocking your Pixel 6 and locating the Settings app on your home screen. Once you have the Settings app open, scroll down the menu until you find the option labeled Battery. Tapping on this will take you to the battery settings, where you can access various power options. Ensure that you are in the correct menu to proceed with adjusting the settings. Within the battery settings, look for an option that says battery percentage. You will find a toggle switch next to this option. Click on the switch to turn it on. After this action, the battery percentage should automatically appear in the status bar at the top of your screen. This feature allows for better monitoring of your battery level, helping you to manage your device's power more effectively. Next, confirm that the battery percentage is now visible. Check the top of your screen to see if the percentage is displayed next to the battery icon. You can use your phone normally to observe any changes in the display. If the battery percentage does not appear, you may need to revisit the settings to make sure everything is set correctly. In case the battery percent is still not showing, go back to the battery settings and toggle the battery percentage option off and then back on. This may refresh the settings and ensure that the feature is activated properly. Keeping this setting enabled provides you with a clear and immediate understanding of your battery usage. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.